Hello people, Dell 304 here, and I've been working on this computer for the past 2 days. What have I been doing? Well, um, yesterday I decided to reformat the hard drive on this computer because, even though I removed the bloatware when I got this computer, I didn't feel like it was running to its full potential. Like, I didn't feel like it was running as fast as it should be. So, I freaking reformatted the hard drive, and this button doesn't work anymore, does it? Yeah, just Windows Mobility. Wait, that's not the right button. This button don't work. Yeah, that button doesn't work anymore. I'll have to fix that later. Anyway, phone's going off, computer's beeping. Anyway, I did reformat this hard drive, so I got all the shizzle off, and I'm running Windows. Ooh, wait a minute. Running the same version of Windows I was, Windows 7 Home Premium 64. So here's the specs for any of you interested. So yeah. So I'm not completely done with it yet. I still got to do a little few small things, but for the most part, it's pretty much finished. But my main problem is the first time I tried to install the operating system, I installed 32-bit Windows 7, which is bad. I did not want that because I'm going to upgrade that computer to 8 gigabytes of RAM someday. So that was bad because, whoa, wait a minute, hold up. So, Windows 7 32-bit, that's the one I put on there. By the way, for people have been asking me if I pirate Windows, and no, I don't. It's only pirating Windows if you use a crappy or a product key, or a bad product key. If you burn a disk, this is an unclean, untouched copy of Windows 7, and it, as long as you use a good product key, for example, the one under the bottom of this computer, it's not pirating Windows. So just get that out of the way. That's why I don't have any official disks, because, yeah. But I do use legit product keys. So anyway, I had to go to the store last night, and because I realized that it was only using 3.3 gigs of my RAM, and I have 4, which is bad. So I realized that after I installed it. So what I had to do was I had to go to the store last night, and I had to buy 10 DVD-RWs. So these are DVD rewritable discs. Very cool. $10, or no, 10 discs for a lot of money. It was like $25 or something like that. But now I got Windows 7 64-bit right here. So I got 64-bit Windows 7 and I got 32-bit Windows 7. Also, I have a lot of other Windows versions here. Windows 2000, Windows XP, Windows Vista. Even at Windows Vista, I think. So yeah. So this is my 64-bit Windows 7 disk. Hold up. So there it is. Wait. Okay. So Windows 7 Home Premium 64-bit build 7600. So yeah, that's that. So that's cool. Yeah, and then I just install it, use the key on the bottom of that computer, and boom, it's good. It's just like it was before. So anyway, yeah, I had to reinstall all of my shiz. That took up all of last night, trying to get that to work. And then, drivers, that was a major problem, trying to find all the drivers for this thing. But then, see, my internet was being a poopy because I downloaded like 3.1 some odd gigabytes yesterday, and they throttled my bandwidth, so I was only getting a couple kilobytes to the second download. And that was a real pain in the ass because it took like 30 some odd minutes to download a 6 megabyte file, and it was just annoying. So I closed all that up last night, and I went to bed. Now this morning, my internet's back up to speed, thank God. But it was a pain in the butt getting the drivers. But then, this morning, I realized in that box over there, the box for this computer, there's a disk with every single driver for this computer on it. I cannot believe I didn't think of that before. So I got all my drivers on, I think except for one. Let's see. Device Manager. See, I got one thing, the System Management Bus Controller. I tried to install a freaking driver for that like 3 times, and it still says it's still showing up in still showing up in Device Manager. So I'm just going to assume that it's installed. The driver says that it's installed, so I'm going to go with that. So yeah. Anyway, this morning I finally got done installing all my programs there. I installed Office 2010, which I also have a legit product key for, so that's cool. So I'm running fully genuine stuff here. So yeah. Anyway, I got done installing all my product keys there. So, or the product keys, my programs. So yeah, that took a while, and I'm pretty much finished. So yeah. So this project was a complete nightmare. I will never be doing this again, but that's how it went with this computer. So yeah. Anyway, that's the video about the computer. So yeah, let's go ahead and yeah, it's got a Core i3, Windows 7, all that good shizzle. There's the computer up there. There's a screen. So anyway, yeah, I'd like to thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll see you guys later.